surprisingly good. Orlando encourages her further.
We're just trying to get a sense of her tolerance for handling. She's spent her life on a 3-foot chain in the backyard. She didn't get much interaction with people.
Sexy passes the test with flying colors.
I think she has a good chance. We can't make her available here for general adoption because of the medical problems. But there are rescues that step up to the plate and take a lot of these dogs. And so I think she has a pretty good chance of a rescue taking her.
Having passed her evaluation test, she now has a possibility. Jamie Ray.
Are you done? Bye-bye.